Good evening to all of you. Today I have wonderful opportunity to share fact about cats, and I hope that you would like it. I am a domestic animal, and I am carnivorous mammal. I have been living with humans around since around 9,500 years ago. That is reason because I am not harmful for human, and children like to play with me, and my smelling and hearing ability are so powerful. I am very flexible and sharp teeth and other skill. Ancient Egyptian was used to worship me, and I was honorable for ancient Egyptian, and I was domestic that time. Uh, our population are 15 crore around, and in America, North America, and Europe, I am domestic, and I exist in every house there. But some exceptions against me that I am unlucky. In India, many of people think about me that I am unlucky for for them, and when sound out, then they throw stone on me because they think that it will be bad for them, and I sound for communication meowing, hissing, and another different sound I can speak, and thank you so much.